Good morning guys, in front of me is Red Magic 8 Pro and let me show you how to change keyboard language. At first open new message or any other area where you can input some text. And now here we've got the current keyboard language. To change it, tap on settings, select languages and go to add keyboard. Now choose the language that you want to apply. You can either scroll all the way down till you find the language that you want to use, or you can enter the search button and smoothly click in the letters from the language that you want to use. So let me pick Hebrew, for example, and now tap on done. So you can either stay with both languages, or you can remove unnecessary language, then go back, and as you can see, new keyboard language is already applied. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.